This one. This one.
What is this? What hot dog? Really?
What is it?
It tastes like hot dog and also a bit of corn.
Taste it more.
I think it's very also good.
Let's try another one. Stop this.
I want the name of this anyway. The seaweed.
Let's try it.
Oh, it's not. It's actually good.
It's good.
Sweet. I like it. It's like fish taste in it, all of it.
How about this?
The maple flavor.
Get closer to the hand.
Cool. It's tiny little circles. Looks like a ring.
I was gonna try it.
Kinda good, but it's weird. It's weird.
It's sour.
Not really sour.
How about this? Open that.
There's no little. Oh, wait.
You cannot open it. Here. Let's try it.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Different flavor.
Oh, that's good. It's like a bit of latio. Alam mo siya?